So clean the grids on a 6000, just follow this video. So open the left hand door, and then there's a screw just here. Open that one up. There's a little catch then to pull out. And then open the door. And then these are your grids here: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. And to take the grid out, you just push down and pull the grid towards you. Okay. And then up on the left here, there's two little cleaners. So you just twist it and pull it out. And then to clean the grids, turn the grid over. And this end here, you'll see the hole. And that fits into it. So you just put that in, twist it, and pull the cleaner back and forward along the grid. Couple times. Then put your grid back in. You can clean this part here with a clean lint-free cloth if you have one. Don't try not to touch it with your hand. And pop that back in. And click into place. Put your cleaner back in. It'll just snap into place. And then close your door and lock it up.